Turning quiet moments into powerful ones by giving kids real support, from tackling stuttering and bullying to boosting confidence through mentorship, outreach, and so much more. Let's welcome back Sherrika Myers, author and founder of Every One Voice Matters. Thank you so much for being with us, Sherrika. Good to see you again.
Same here. Thank you for having me.
It's been a while since we've had you in the studio. Why don't you tell us what you've been up to over these last couple of years?
Oh, it's been so much. We've actually grown our program, especially our youth mental health program, our early drug prevention. We've expanded over in different states. We'll be going to Africa with our program as well. But
Wow.
also, like I stated, I became certified as a youth mental health first aider, and also now I'm a certified instructor for youth mental health first aider.
That's right. So you've added that component to your services. How has youth mental health first aid changed the way your team approaches the work that you do?
Well, once I became certified, see, it teaches us how to notice the first signs of mental health and also early drug use. So we are the initial support and the ears for youth between ages 6 and 18 before they actually receive professional services.
Oh, wow. And what does it mean to be certified? I would imagine that certainly adds another layer to the services, but also a bit more responsibility on your plate as well.
Yes, well, actually, is a good thing to actually be certified because being that we work with so many youth, and
Yeah.
then just not being able to actually notice some of the signs, but the youth mental health taught us to notice those signs of mental health and early drug use. So being certified actually help us to be able to recognize the signs earlier.
Yeah, absolutely. And I would imagine that this has a significant impact on the community. What have you been hearing? Any feedback from the people in your community who you serve?
Well, I've heard great feedback from parents because some of the parents didn't even notice the signs. But once
Uh,
we work with the youth, being that we're certified, we're actually to notice the signs and be able to give great advice to the parents as well.
what are some of the signs, if you wouldn't mind sharing with us?
Well, if they become like silent, or
Mm,
if you notice their behavior have changed, and if you notice like they are doing things that they wouldn't normally do, or say
yeah.
things that they wouldn't normally do as well.
Interesting. It's amazing how far you've come in everything that you've done with Everyone Voice Matters, from helping kids with stuttering, which is really kind of how this
Yes,
all started.
yes.
And then it's just blossomed into so many other services. And then you also have a very special event that's coming up in North Charleston. Maybe you can share a little bit more about what's going to be happening ahead of the holiday season.
Yes, this Saturday we actually have our eighth annual Christmas at City Hall event, and at this event we'll be giving away 700 new coats, 200 new bikes, 400 new toys, food giveaway, and so much more. So much fun activities out there for the kids and the families because this year has been a challenging year for everyone.
2025 has been a very challenging year for a
Yes,
lot of people. It really
yes,
has. I think everyone had very high hopes that it was going to be a breakout year, but instead, people were hit with a lot of challenges.
yes,
So it's wonderful to know that there are organizations in the community that are helping people in this way, in such a profound way, just to get them through the Christmas season and then to start the 2026 year off right.
yes.
But I would be remiss if we didn't talk a little bit more about the work that you do on behalf of those who suffer from stuttering and who lack confidence and things like that. So, what have you been doing going out to schools and making sure that you're getting to the kids who really need um, your influence, and your support as
Yes,
they
well,
grow and mature and yeah.
yes. Well, we have of course, our school assemblies. We have group coaching. We have parent coaching as well. So we have several different programs. We have our Stronger Together program that work with the youth and the parent at the same time, which is very important. So we have expanded to so many different programs to be able to empower our children and their entire family.
Yeah, that's what it's all about,
Yes, yes,
empowering the community, empowering your neighbors, your friends, your family. I think that's wonderful. Sherrika Myers, thank you so much for joining us. And I just wanted to reiterate, Everyone Voice Matters is the 8th annual Christmas
Yes.
at City Hall. This is in North Charleston. It's happening tomorrow, Saturday, from noon to 3 p.m. So make sure you go out there. Wonderful giveaways. And all of this stuff is brand new, which I think is just so wonderful,
Yes.
maintaining the dignity of the recipients who can use just that little bit of a helping hand. Sherrika Myers, thank you again for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be back after this.